Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert page number in MS Word document. So two methods to insert page number. Click on insert and here select header, and you can select header which has page number like this one and this one, and some header is more options like author name, date, document title. So select any header which include page number like this. And if you want to add manually page number, so another way, click on insert. Like you don't have the page number and you want to insert, so click here and just you have to click on page number, add page numbers, number the pages in your document, click on it. Now you select placement like top of page, bottom of page, page margins and current position. So select area and style. Like this. So this way you can insert page number in a MS Word document. Thanks for watching.